Have you ever wondered how complex the machine you live in every day is? The human body isn't just a bunch of parts, it's a universe. Let's start with a fact that sounds like science fiction. If you took all the blood vessels in an adult human, the arteries, veins, and tiny capillaries, and laid them out in a straight line, that line would be over 60,000 miles long. That incredible internal highway could wrap around the earth more than 2 times. This isn't just a statistic, it's proof of amazing design. From the tip of your nose to your smallest toe, oxygen and nutrients reach every single cell. This network of vessels is just the beginning of our body's amazing story. We go about our lives busy with things. We often take this quiet, constant work for granted. We breathe without thinking. Our hearts beat without us telling them to. And our bodies fix small cuts as if by magic. But it's not magic. It's millions of years of evolution. It's a perfectly tuned biological orchestra. The human body is a masterpiece of engineering. It can control itself and fix itself. These secrets are waiting to be found. As we continue, we'll peel back the layers of what we think we know. We'll dive into the mysteries of our brain, a powerful command center. The human brain, a soft, 3-pound organ inside our skull, is perhaps the most complex and powerful thing in the universe. It creates our thoughts, feelings, memories, and actions. But here's a shocking fact. When you're awake, your brain makes enough electricity to power a small, low-watt light bulb. This electrical activity is the result of billions of neurons firing and talking to each other, sending signals at speeds over 250 miles per hour. Every thought you have, every memory, every dream is a storm of electrical impulses. This constant buzz of energy is what makes you you. It's a silent, internal power source that runs the whole show without needing to be plugged in or recharged from an outside source. Also, the brain's ability to store information is almost endless, much more than any computer made by humans. Scientists guess that the human brain has about 86 billion neurons, and each neuron can make thousands of connections with other neurons, creating a very complex network. The total possible connections, or synapses, are thought to be in the trillions. If you think about your brain's storage ability in digital terms, it would be in the petabyte range. To give you an idea, 1 petabyte is equal to 1,000 terabytes. This means your brain could theoretically hold all the content of the internet and still have room left over. It's an ever-growing library where every experience and piece of knowledge is catalogued for life. Despite its amazing power and activity, the brain itself doesn't feel pain. The human heart is a symbol of love and emotion, but in reality, it's a biological powerhouse of incredible strength and endurance. This muscular organ, about the size of your fist, works harder than any other muscle in your body. Here's a mind-blowing fact to chew on. In an average lifetime, the human heart will beat over 2.5 billion times. Just think about that for a moment. From before you were born until your very last moment, this tireless pump works continuously, never taking a day off or a coffee break. Every single day, it pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood, which is enough to fill over 40 bathtubs. This constant effort ensures that every part of your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to survive. The power generated by the heart is truly amazing. When it contracts, it creates such strong pressure that it could theoretically squirt blood up to 30 feet away. While our circulatory system is a closed loop that prevents this from happening, it gives you an idea of the sheer force packed into this relatively small organ. This power is needed to push blood through the vast 60,000 mile network of blood vessels we talked about earlier. Every heartbeat you feel is a powerful surge of life, a testament to the heart's incredible mechanical efficiency. It's not just a gentle flutter. Blood is a very important fluid. It flows through our veins. But its makeup is much more complex and interesting than most people think. It might look like a simple red liquid, but a single drop of blood is like a busy city of cells. About 5 million red blood cells, about 10,000 white blood cells, and about 250,000 platelets. All these float in a yellowish fluid called plasma. Red blood cells are the ones that carry oxygen, white blood cells are the soldiers of your immune system, and platelets are the first responders that rush to seal any leaks. Every drop is a tiny world of functions that keep your body alive and protected, a small army that constantly works to keep you healthy. The sheer number of red blood cells in your body is mind-boggling. An average adult has about 25 trillion red blood cells. These cells are constantly being made in your bone marrow at an incredible rate, about 2 million new cells every second. This high turnover is important because a red blood cell only lives for about 120 days. During its short life, each cell travels through your entire body about 75,000 times, delivering oxygen and removing carbon dioxide. It's a continuous cycle of birth, work, and renewal. This happens on a scale that's almost impossible to grasp, making sure your body's energy needs are always met. One of the most shocking facts about blood is related to its volume and journey. The amount of blood in your body is about 7 to 8% of your total body weight. The human skeleton is the inner framework that gives our body structure and support. But it's much more than a static, lifeless scaffold. One of the most surprising facts is that when you are born, you have more bones than an adult. A newborn baby has about 300 bones and pieces of cartilage. As the baby grows, many of these small bones fuse together to form the larger, stronger bones of the adult skeleton. By the time you reach adulthood, you only have 206 bones left. This process of fusion is a wonderful example of natural engineering, which provides flexibility during birth and then builds a stronger structure for adult life. For example, a baby's skull is made of several plates that can shift, helping it pass through the birth canal. Our bones are not just rigid, dry structures, they are living, dynamic tissues that are constantly remodeling themselves. Your entire skeleton completely replaces itself every 10 years. This process is called bone remodeling. The human stomach is an incredible organ for digestion, but its inside environment is even more extreme than you might think. The lining of your stomach secretes hydrochloric acid, a strong substance that's so powerful it can even dissolve metal. The acid in your stomach has a pH between 1.5 and 3.5, making it as acidic as battery acid. This intense environment is needed to kill harmful bacteria and germs, and it's also needed to start the process of breaking down tough proteins. If you were to drop a single drop of this acid on a piece of wood, it would completely dissolve it. This is a controlled chemical reaction that happens inside you after every meal. Given this extreme acidity, the obvious question is, why doesn't the stomach digest itself? The body has a brilliant defense mechanism. The stomach wall is protected by a thick layer of mucus, which is secreted by special cells. Your skin isn't just a simple covering, it's the largest organ in your body. And it does many complex and important jobs. An average adult's body is covered by about 22 square feet of skin. It weighs about 8 to 10 pounds. But what's really amazing is that your skin is always making itself new. Every minute, you get rid of about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells. That adds up to about 9 pounds of skin cells in a year. Most of the dust in your home is made of these dead skin cells. Everywhere you go, you literally leave a piece of yourself behind. This is because your body is always making a new outer layer. Skin is also the main way your body controls its temperature. It works like a fancy, built-in thermostat. When you get too hot, your skin helps cool you down in two ways. First, the blood vessels in your skin get wider. The human body is made of trillions of cells, but these units are not all the same. They are very specialized. Nerve cells can be up to 1 meter long. Muscle cells contract and relax. Light-sensitive cells are in your eyes. However, the most shocking fact is the origin of cells. Every human begins as a single cell, a zygote. Zygote equals sperm plus egg fusion. That one cell holds the entire genetic blueprint. That cell divides and changes. From a single cell, trillions of specialized cells are formed. Brain, heart, bones. As we finish our journey through the hidden wonders of the human body, it's clear that each one of us is a living, breathing miracle. From a network of 60,000 miles of blood vessels that could go around the globe twice, to a brain that makes its own electricity. Every fact we found points to a level of complexity and cleverness that's beyond simple explanations. We are powered by a heart that beats billions of times without rest and protected by a stomach filled with acid strong enough to melt metal. We are made of a skeleton stronger than steel and trillions of cells each holding a code of life that could spread across the entire solar system. The human body isn't just a bunch of biological facts, it's a symphony of connected systems, a masterpiece of natural engineering. This new knowledge should inspire more than just intellectual curiosity. Please share.